Hey everyone, happy Christmas! I just thought I'd jump on today to wish everyone a really happy Christmas. This year has been really difficult for a lot of us. I myself got made redundant. For the second half of the year, I have been really trying to figure stuff out. And I know it's been really difficult for everyone out there as well. So I just thought I'd jump on today because I'm not going to be releasing any videos until early next year. So that'll be around the 5th of January will be my next upload for more fashion related videos. I know this year has been really tough for everyone and it's been really difficult for a lot of people. I think the message throughout my channel and throughout me getting made redundant and really trying to find a new job is positivity and really trying your best and really being persistent. I think if you have them three, then it will get better. Hopefully 2021 will be a much better year for everyone. Going forward for me, I've got a lot of goals and objectives that I want to achieve next year. And I think, Bruce, and I think, for me 2021 has got a lot to live up to. Hopefully it's going to be a lot bigger, it's going to be a lot better. Hopefully it will be more financially stable for me. Hopefully I'll find a job. Hopefully my YouTube channel will grow. I've got certain goals and targets that I want to hit, and hopefully you guys can come along on that journey with me as well. So hope you have a lovely Christmas day and an amazing new year, even though it's going to be a little bit different than usual. You're not going to be able to see your family as much as you would have liked. So let's hope that early 2021 we can all get together and have a massive party. Right, that's everything from me. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas and an amazing new year, and I will see you in 2021. All right, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.